Hello everyone, welcome to Google Form Tutorials. In this video, we are going to see that what are the different types of questions that Google Form provides us. So in case you don't know what about forms, so basically Google provides this facility through which we can create online forms, and as the name suggests, it basically creates a form which you can share with others and they can fill it. The data that they enter, you would be able to collect it as the owner of the form in a particular place for later analysis and for use as you may like it. So these are like very much used in online exams for collecting details, for questionnaires, for review, for feedback purposes, etc. So let's just dive right into the type of the questions that Google Form allows us to create and for what scenario we can use each question. So here I have a blank form with me, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a question. So the first thing is, this is the question that is pre-created, means this is just a blank question, and if I want to create a question out of it, what do I need to do is I can just type in some text. So here I type choose one option. So why have I typed this? Because you can see the type of the question is a multiple choice question. So this is the one type of the question that Google Form provides us. So options, what do I have is option A. If I want to add other option, then Google Form, you can see, automatically suggests me B. Similarly, if I just type in the month January and I go to the other option, maybe type in February, then click on add option, so it automatically suggests me the option C, or the third option that you want to add. So let's just say March. So just like this, I have 3 months that are available, and here in the suggestions also you can see Google Form is suggesting me some options, so you can add as many options as we want. This is the first type of the questions. What is the next type of a question? If you want to add a question, just click on this plus icon. This would allow you to add another question. This was the first question, this is the second question. Now let's just change it type to checkboxes. In multiple choice, what happens is the student or anyone using this form would be able to choose only one option out of these three. If you want them to choose multiple options, like let's say the instructions are choose 2 options minimum, basically 2 is the minimum, they can choose more. So the options are, let's say A, it would suggest me B, it should suggest me B, it's not okay, no problem. Okay, so these are the 4 options A, B, C, D. So out of these, since I've selected checkboxes, they can select or choose multiple options. So this is the checkbox option. Next we have is the drop down. So what happens in this drop down? I say choose a list. So basically I can create a list of these drop downs, and those they can choose. So suppose my first option is like days of the week. Next we have is months of the year. So these are the 2 drop downs that would be given them into the option, and these are what they can choose. A list is what they can choose. This is the drop down type of a question. Next what we have is a short answer question and a paragraph question. So the only difference between these two things is the length of the words that a person can enter. Suppose we select short answer, so they can just type a small amount of text. But if you want your answers to be lengthy or to be long, then instead of short answer, you can just simply choose a paragraph. Both the options allow the person to actually enter the text, which may include spaces, numbers, symbols, letters, words, anything. But it would be a subjective question, like tell me something about yourself. So this is a simple textual question, subjective answer. That's what they can type it over here. Next type of question we have is a short answer question. Let's just do that as well. So let's say, where do you live? So this is basically a shorter answer type of a question, where you can answer in like limited words or probably 1 or 2 sentences, and that should be enough. Next type of question, if we just go here, we have is a file upload. So this allows you to upload the files. So what happens is, as you can see over here, that it will allow the respondents to upload the file. Now there is a chance that there could be a virus that they could upload which may harm your drive, or maybe take a hit on your personal data. So it's always advisable to only give this option to limited number of people like your students, so that the file that they are uploading will not harm you in any way. So Google Forms would give you this kind of a warning, and once you click on continue, only then this question would be there. So let's say we can give them some instructions like upload your resume. So upload your resume. Now what happens is, since we are uploading a resume, we don't want images to be uploaded or videos to be uploaded. We want a simple PDF format of a resume. So allow only specific file types. Let's just check this option, and there is this PDF. So let's just click on PDF. How many files they can upload? Maximum 1, because resume 1 is enough. Maximum file size, let's just keep it as 1 MB. Then whatever files they upload will go into a Google Drive folder, and from here you can view that folder. So that's it for this video. These are the mainstream questions that you can create in Google Forms. These ones that are given over here are not that mainstream options, and we will check them but in the other video. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.